4, 3.
Hey everyone, Ryan here again with the CactusCon crew, and I am here to talk on artificial intelligence. Welcome and thank you for being with us.
Hey guys, this is Ankur.
Before we get going with our Q&A, I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner of our previous giveaway. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and choose a winner right now. Survey says. So we had 2 different giveaways going this interval. We had a second towel of your choice, and that goes to, I'll probably butcher the pronunciation, Kubicon? I'm not sure, Kubicon. So thank you very much for entering the giveaway, and your towel will be available to you. You get to choose the size, the logo from our store, and we'll get it out to you. We will contact you after the event. And we also have another giveaway that we are trying to, we will get that out shortly, I guess. So for now, Ankur, thank you again for presenting. Great talk. I personally have quite a fondness for artificial intelligence. I work for BlackBerry, formerly Silence. So, I mean, obviously that's, that's a big thing for us, right?
Yeah, it is.
I was with my former company for 7 years, and it finally moved on. And one of the big things that was like, yeah, I want to be a part of that was the AI and the machine learning, and just how it really is going to shape a lot of what we're doing. I would say in the future, but now. So great talk. Thank you very much. Any comments or questions or anything yourself before we get to the general user questions?
Some information. We have a hacking club at ASU DevilSec, so do check us out. We do very interesting talks, and if you are a sponsor or company who want to interact with students, want to give them some information about how to get started in the field, how to find internships and jobs, do join us on our Discord channel. There are people from DevilSec here, Nightbane, Eris, so do talk to them if you are interested. Thank you.
Awesome. DevilSec, I believe you had a bit of a presence at CactusCon last year with DevilSec.
We did. Our team was there last year to support me during my talk, so big shout out to you guys.
Yeah, very cool. Love when we support the education and helping people funnel into our pipeline, right?
Yeah.
So, all right, a couple different questions. First off, I'll just throw it out there. Someone asked, will there be PowerPoints available? Yes. So Ankur has already provided his, actually, but we will be posting links. We're going to update the website post-con. I don't know if it's going to be Sunday or a couple days after or when we'll get to it, but we're going to have links to the YouTube video, to this YouTube Q&A, the individual sessions, and posting slides as they're provided by our presenters. So getting to some questions here, we've got about 5 minutes to answer some questions. Where in the network is the core function of the AI working at, and can the AI be fed false data sets?
Yeah, so AI is working on the network traffic that we captured at the interface of both public and private network, the logs that we collected from Snort, which was our intrusion detection system, the logs that we collected from the individual machines. They include host logs, DNS logs, access logs to the Apache server, Samba server, any storage components like we had Nexus. We collected logs from that. We extracted about 84 features from the network traffic and the host logs. So that's where the AI component is working. So second question is very interesting. There are cases where you can trick the AI model itself. So you can feed the fake data and try to trick the AI model to do the incorrect prediction, or what you can do is interact with AI model in such a way that you just identify what sort of detection AI model is using, just identify all its feature set. So there has been active research in this direction where the researchers are trying to protect the AI models against this class known as adversarial attacks. So yeah, you can check those out. Like I posted a link of defense scan that deals with that particular problem, but we did not address that problem in this research.
Awesome. Thank you. And another question for you is, how did you avoid data bias using the collection methodology? Similar pitfalls to the KDB99 come to mind.
So there will be a data bias when APT attacks are considered. So basically, the typical duration of an APT attack is 70 to 72 days. And if you look at the Sony hack that happened for 143 days, so how do you identify signal from such huge amount of network traffic? So we tried to focus on the models that do anomaly detection, and we tried using the benchmarking methods like precision, uh, which are more focused towards the positive samples of the machine learning classifications as opposed to ROC or receiver operating characteristics that include false positive rates and that can induce that kind of bias. So the models that we considered like one class SVM, LSTM, stack autoencoder, and stack autoencoder, they try to do anomaly detection, basically try to identify the positive class of samples from this huge amount of data. Another thing that we did was we collected the data for different phases of APT attack over multiple days. Like on Monday, we just baselined the normal traffic, how it looks like. On Tuesday, although we had normal traffic going on, we just performed the reconnaissance activities and so forth. Like on Wednesday, we had the foothold establishment phase. So that way, it was kind of easier to distinguish like what does the normal traffic look like as a baseline, and then use our anomaly detection models to do the prediction.
Awesome. All right. Very, very cool. I was giving a random panel talk one day for work, and one of the audience members wasn't prepared for this question. He says, can you easily and succinctly define the difference between AI and machine learning? And I was like, yeah, I can. It got to be very, very interesting for a lot of folks who weren't, yet aware. You obviously are a master of your craft, and again, we really, really thank you. There were a couple other questions, but time-wise, we got to wrap this up. So, hey, Ankur, thank you very much again, and this will all be available on YouTube for folks to watch later.
Yeah, thanks a lot, everyone, for hosting me, and thanks a lot to my colleagues at Bishop Fox and BlackBerry. Hello, and thanks, everyone, for joining my talk.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.